spam in my mid-fight. It's more likely than you think.
Kills that ball. Kills that ball. Kills that ball.
Never saw what the dilemma is there. I'd just be like, yay. But I can't fit anywhere near them.
The heavy hiding in the left somewhere.
Give me. Yeah. Yeah, let's go!
He's so upbeat though, I do love it.
Sentry's kaput!
Yeah,
Come on, Matt, come on!
No! Damn it, Axel.
Yeah.
That's a good quote.
Has to be right. Yeah. Let's go!
Guys in the left spawn room.
yeah.
Okay.
Why is that cart not moving?
Baron. Yep.
not me.
Charge! This is the...
Let's go.
This is the what?
It's
Complicated.
it's complicated.
Paramedic, get the gods.
Okay, nice. We got it.
Sniper on the roof.
Yes, it's Luke, it's watching. Nice.
Oh, a few going into basement.
Still. This is the force! This is the force! Go.
Can someone help me in map room?
The spamming the sentry, we need help with the sentry down! Sorry.
Right.
Fuck it, let's do it!
Thank you.
This is the push, alright, this is the push, yeah.
Yeah, push. Nice.
They're pushing it.
That's right. Shite! Sorry.